Hey guys, in this video we're going to have a sounder or herd of hogs, 7 hogs to be exact, come out of a pecan orchard and cross over into a hay pasture. So it's pretty wide open and there's nowhere for them to go. End up getting 6 out of the 7. I was shooting the LWRC Six8 Razorback topped with the Vortex Razor HDII 1x6 scope with an Apollo 640 thermal clip on in front of it. And here you see that the hogs, they're just kind of rooting around in the field here. And I'm about to take out the lead sow there when she gets in line with these cows, so I'm going to wait till she gets past here. For some reason the MDVR did not record sound on this one, and there were some pretty good thumps when the 120 SSTs were hitting the pigs. It sounded really good. I'm disappointed that it did not record. Anyways, all I'm doing right here is just, surveying the scene, seeing what they're doing, and trying to determine what I'm going to do. And I'm going to take her out first. I've already made up my mind, and she's past him now, so I'm fixing to take a neck shot on her. She goes down dead right there. Each one of these shots is a hit. You can hear the thumps, but it didn't record. That's the only one that gets away right there. And that's it. 6 of them are down. There's the one escapee right there. And that's another sounder taken out. Please don't forget to like the video, and if you have not already, please click here to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.